Is walking on an incline treadmill going to help you lose weight? The quick answer is yes, but there's one thing you must do to get any results. If you don't do this, you really may be wasting your time. Coming up. Welcome to For Faith Fitness, the #1 YouTube channel for helping you fight obesity. If you're in the middle of that fight, consider subscribing and sticking around because I promise, together, we're going to win. So when it comes to walking on an incline treadmill, there's two very important things to know. The second is absolutely essential, like I said, to you getting this right and getting results. But the first is also very important, and that is that at a certain point, that is going to be required if your body has gotten used to flat treadmill. If you are doing this for a while, you are going to run into a lack of progress and you're going to be wondering what is going on. Why have I stopped losing weight? And it could be that your intensity needs to match your improved fitness. So if you've gotten used to a flat treadmill at 3 miles per hour, let's say, you need to bump that up to an incline. I like to go pretty heavy, and I'm about to tell you why in a second. And by the way, by heavy, I mean heavy on the incline, as in a big incline. Okay, so the all-important second tip, what is that? It is letting go of the handrails. So let's say that you're at a 3 mile per hour walking speed and you're at a 7 incline. Let go of those handrails. If you hold on to the handrails, when you go to the gym, look at people around you who are walking on an incline treadmill. They typically grab the handrails right in front of them, they lean back, and they are matching the incline. When your body matches the incline, you are now leaning back, you are effectively walking with no incline. And if you don't believe me, give it a try. Grab the handrails and walk, and you'll be like, oh, this isn't so bad. And then whenever you start really letting go of the handrails and leaning forward as if you're going on a hike, which I'm going to give you a mind-blowing stat in a second, but if you lean forward as if you're going on a hike, you bend your knees, literally act like you're walking up a big hill, I'm telling you, your body's going to want to grab the handrails. So you're going to be going for them because it is challenging, and challenging equals scorched calories. It's very good for your progress. So listen to this stat, and I told you it was going to blow your mind. I mean, it's pretty cool. Listen to this. A 200-pound person during a hike is going to burn 550 calories per hour. It's not like they're doing battle ropes or something. I mean, it's just a hike, but you know, it's pretty challenging going uphill. You can simulate this on a treadmill with no handrails. A big, heavy incline, no handrails, lean forward into it, bend those knees as if you're going on a hike, and I'm telling you, you're going to scorch calories. Hey guys, if you got value from this video, if you could gently tap that like button, and if you want to learn if what you're losing is actual fat or water weight, then click on the video here to continue learning more about your fat loss. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. God bless.